In this new episode, I will have to lay some tiles on the floor, and I already laid a few just to have an idea of how they are going to go. And yeah, meanwhile I'm just going to take that toilet out because I will need to do the cut at the back. And I usually like to prepare everything before I'm going to start, instead of putting tile by tile and cutting tile by tile and laying by tile by tile. I prefer to have all my cuts done and they are going to be ready to lay. So right now just going to take the toilet out and we are going to be ready to go. Alright, so I laid all the tiles onto the floor, and I just need to do one cut over there, and I'm just going to go now outside to do that cut because it's going to be very messy, dusty. So yeah, more or less this is how it's going to be. So I'm just going to go outside and do my cut. You can come with me if you want. Let's go. Now we are ready for some cutting. And that's done, and it's not looking that bad. Only problem is it's going to go. Let's go and find out. Let's see now if it's going to install. Let's check. Not perfect, but it's okay. That should be okay. So right now I'm just going to take everything off. I'm going to take everything out and mix the adhesive and lay them on. I think I'm just going to start to lay them like that and going down. But I will take that decision when I'm going to be laying them. Now we are ready to start tiling. Alright, so right now I'm ready to grab the floor. Had a problem with my video camera, the battery went off and I had to cut all those from that side, all those tiles, and I already put them, and now it's ready for grouting past a few hours that they were laid. So now I have the grout there, and it's going to be the same grout like on the walls. It's a light gray. So right now let's just pass to the grouting stage. and then of course wash. Okay, so I still need to wash this floor, and of course I will have to put the toilet back, and then go home because it's getting late again. I'm really trying to finish early, but every time it's, I don't know how, it's getting late. 7, 8, 10, 12. Oh well. Okay, so I'll just need to connect the toilet, and it should be enough for toilet. Alright, and it seems that everything is working fine. Okay, so at this point, floor is finished and it's kind of late, and this video is just came to an end right now. So yes, at this point, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is our floor. It was much better before without that toilet in, but don't forget, don't worry about that, because it will be replaced very soon. Everything is there, so all the new accessories for these bathrooms are already in. I'm not going to be here to finish the bathroom, somebody else is going to do it. This is the end of our video. So yeah, like I was saying, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye, till at the next one.